Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry, and today's video is all about mixing pigments. The pigments that I'm using today in this video are by Diction. The other thing that I use a lot in mixing pigments is my gloss gel, and then this is my pouring medium. It's 10% gloss, medium, and floetrol. I also use a little spoon to help me measure out my pigments, or you can use just like a popsicle stick. So to start off, I use 10 grams of gloss gel. And then after I get my gloss gel in my cup, I add in my pigments. I will be doing a lot more of these videos where I'm showing you how I mix my paints, all of the things I do behind the scenes that I don't normally record. I will be recording more, and I will be sharing all of those videos with my members only. So make sure you click the join button beside the subscribe button, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much, everyone. Okay, so now that I have my 10 grams of gloss gel, let's get some pigments in there. So like I said, these pigments are Diction. You can use any of the pigments that are out there. I also really like the TLP pigments. I find that with the Diction pigments, I definitely need to use more. They're definitely on the cheaper side. And I know, I'm just thinking off the top of my head, I don't think Diction actually has pigments available anymore, which is too bad because they are great pigments, especially for beginners, but the TLP pigments are really, really amazing. I love mixing those pigments up. So I'm just moving my camera a little bit here so you can see a little bit better how I mix. So I'm just making sure that I take my time very, very slowly because those pigments will kind of puff back in your face. And I learned this a long time ago as a nurse. We often have to crush medications and mix them in applesauce or in, I don't know, pudding or mashed potatoes. It depends, because older folks can't always swallow so well. And yeah, it's definitely helped with mixing pigments because you don't want medications to blow back in your face and then inhale them. When I first started doing pigments, I actually would wear a mask just because we had masks readily available, especially the disposable ones. If you're more comfortable, safety-wise, you can just throw on a little mask. It's definitely enough to protect your breathing passageways. So there you go. You can see that my pigments are a little bit, they're thick, of course, because it's gloss gel. And I will be adding in some of my pouring medium here. So I start with smaller amounts. I usually measure out about 10 grams. You don't have to necessarily measure this part, but definitely start with a smaller amount of your pouring medium. Get everything incorporated really, really well, and then you can add in a little bit more and keep going until you reach the consistency that you desire. Okay, and here you can see that this is the consistency that I was looking for, which was absolutely perfect for the piece that I actually created these for, which I did not record. Well, I didn't mean to not record it. I accidentally didn't hit my record button, which I'm sure has happened to many, many of us who do YouTube channel videos. Okay, so I'm going to throw on some music here because this is just a repeat of my black. I think it's a charcoal black that I'm mixing up next. So enjoy the music and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. But while you're here, why don't you click on one of these two videos and have a look. Thanks so much. Bye.